केरल कैबिनेट में पुरानी कैबिनेट वज़रा को जगह नहीं मिलना चर्चा का सबब बना हुआ है। हालांकि पार्टी का कहना है कि यह फैसला आम राय से लिया गया है ताकि नौजवान लीडरान को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मौके मिल सके। मौजूदा कैबिनेट में सिर्फ सीएम विजयन ही पुराने चेहरे के तौर पर अपना काम कर रहे हैं। हालांकि कोविड कंट्रोल को लेकर चर्चा में रही वजीर सेहत के शैलजा को नए कैबिनेट में जगह नहीं मिली है। वहीं नौजवान एमएलए इसे पार्टी का नया रुख बता रहे हैं। उनका कहना है कि नए वज़रा पहली बार वजारत ज़रूर संभालेंगे, लेकिन उन्हें अवामी खदमात का काफ़ी लंबा तजुर्बा है।
Very hectic responsibility, very serious responsibility, and the party and LDF entrusted with the responsibility means we have to do maximum for the people of the state. We will do the maximum, and at the present juncture, the epidemic, the problem which is created in the state because of the epidemic situation, we have to overcome that, both health-wise, economy-wise, employment-wise, we have to overcome that. That is the major area of importance or responsibility we have to take now. Collectively, the government is doing that. We will be part of that. That we will try to our best to do that.
And also, all of your cabinet colleagues are newcomers. Will it reflect in the efficiency of the government?
All of them are, as far as the ministry is concerned, all of them are newcomers. But they are a team of experienced people. Many other areas they were there. In the political organization, in the organization, the party work, as well as in other areas of the social life. They are very experienced.
The left front has the mandate, and the LDF has taken a bold decision to field newcomers, new faces, and this will be a fresh cabinet. So this fresh cabinet will lead Kerala in the next 5 years.
And it was also a shocker that, it was also a shocker that performing minister like KK Shailaja was avoided.
See, a Communist Party functions in a different way. You cannot compare a Communist Party with other bourgeois parties. So yes, Comrade KK Shailaja was given the responsibility of a minister. In the last 5 years, she did well, and the newcomers will also follow the same. So they will also get an opportunity to prove their ability and to administer well.
We have given tickets to the MLAs who have completed 2 continuous terms. At that time, we fielded a row of new faces. This time also, party decided to field new faces to the ministry. That is the basis of this decision. I think it is a good move. Actually, this is a new responsibility entrusted on me by the party. I will try my best within my limitation to serve the people and the society.